Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I showed this in a haul. I think it was on a Temu haul, but I did get it from Shein. I showed this little crimper. It's supposed to give your hair volume right at the roots. But when I ordered it, it sent me the €4 plug. So, we got on Amazon and got this plug. Now I feel like I should order everything in euro. Alright, so you just, it plugged right in. Oh. Alright, so it came with 2 of these in case we have multiple products at a time that we need to convert, but so it looks like this, and here's the plug. So I am going to try this out. I'm going to plug this in and let it get heated up. Go right in here. Alright, it's on. And I'm going to set it right here. And then, while that is heating up, I'm sure we'll be able to smell it. I'm going to talk about, I mentioned in a video, hopefully it was already out, but that I was going to do like wearing the shoes I've bought from Temu, and I've worn the Grinch ones and I really liked them, and I've worn another pair that I got from them like for a full day, but I'm gonna start clean. The Grinch were great, loved every second of them, got tons of compliments. But for my first pair of shoes that I wore these boots that were featured in a video. And I'm going to take one off. We're going to talk about it. I wore these all day. Now, I do sit at a desk, so I'm not like up walking all day. And these would be completely better if they were, well, they are. Maybe if the plush line came up to the top here. But anyway, there's this white and brown, and this, they actually match pretty well. It doesn't look like it on camera, but in real life it does. But yeah, so I got these, I don't even know what size they are. I'm thinking they're a 7.5 because the toes kind of hurt my feet. So this is the thing that I wanted to do while wearing all of these, was determine if I actually liked them and they were comfortable to wear all day. And since I sit most of the day, I didn't think that they would be bad, but they do kind of scrunch my toes a little bit at the bottom. But they're super warm and they match this shirt really well. They're very well made. I slipped on ice this morning and didn't break my neck. So I'm gonna say day 1 was a success with a new pair of Temu shoes. They feel like, when I was walking in them, they feel well made, like really well made. They are super white. They were such a sturdy boot. They gave me enough support. The bottoms were comfortable. It was comfortable to walk in. So yeah, I think I'm going to give them another try just to see if they hurt my toes. And then if they do, I'll just give them to my mom. But they do have a plush lining in them, but it doesn't start until right here. So I did have my leggings like tucked into these. I tried to wear them with tall socks and it wasn't very cute, and it might have just, I had a white pair of tall socks, and I just wanted to wear them with that because I figured this would be itchy. Sometimes boots or you get like that one pokey part, but they weren't. So, but I did try to keep my leggings tucked in. Of course, they rode up. However, I will show that my leggings like rubbed off on them and kind of stained the boot, especially inside here, but just right along that rim. So keep that in mind. I'm sure jeans would have done it too. So if you wear like a dark colored jean, then it'll probably stain them too. But for the most part, you can't tell when they're on because it's just that edge right there. I don't know why they did that though, because like I said, my leggings kept riding or like scrunching up above the shoe. So anyway, day one, these brown boots. I'll probably mostly do the shoe review in shorts, in just like short clips, not in actual clothing shorts, but just in short clips, so I don't have to film a video every time. If I'm doing a video, I'll just add it in there. But yeah, so I think these clearly these were no more than $20. I bet they were less. I was on Today looking for shoes because I was pretty impressed with these. Not that I need more, but I was just on there looking and I searched cheapest to oldest, and they really had, like, the cheapest pair of shoes they had were $7. And so I'm really happy that I picked up a whole bunch of cheap shoes because clearly they're going up in price. And yeah, so I'm gonna take my glasses off to do my hair and look at, oh, these little lines are so cute, but I didn't wear makeup today, so I figured my glasses were a good way to go. So this, of course, I can smell it getting hot. I'm gonna part my hair over here so that I can crimp under here. I'm really nervous about this because I'm so afraid it's gonna get, it's like super hot and that it's gonna ruin my hair, but let's just, I'm just waiting for my hair to fall out. Like, just burn it right out. Okay. Okay, I don't really see, I mean, you can tell it's crimping it. I just don't know how much actual volume I'm getting. So I'm gonna go right here, get this. Okay. So I've got my next little section of hair. And I'm just gonna crimp right here at the roots. Ooh, it feels so weird. Ow. Okay, that gave me some volume. So, oh yeah. That's some volume. Let's do one more layer. I really don't use a lot of heat on my hair, so, but the plug works. So typically I'm not gonna, let's see if this part isn't crimped. So this might just not work for me because my hair is so fine that I feel like it needs like more hair. Let me try a thicker piece, and I'm just gonna do it down here. I'm gonna try a big old thick piece over here. So this is a thick piece to me. Oh, just pulled some of my hair out. Oh, you can see like smoke coming up on it. All right. So it does give some kind of volume like under your roots. So, I mean, it wouldn't be bad to go through and just do a couple of a line or so, but I'm not utterly impressed with this item. I'm gonna unplug it. Oh, okay. So this piece works great. Definitely not worried about getting Euro stuff from now on, but I don't know. Let me see. Like, I unplugged it, but look at how you can see how it grips your hair right there. And I just feel like my hair is just not thick enough for it to really make that much of a difference. So I'm just not impressed with this. Like, there's nothing wrong with the device itself. But for my hair, I just don't think this product is going to work for me. I only paid $6.70 for this after my coupons and everything. And it's super cute, but I just don't think it's going to be like a go-to, but I will hold on to this for about 6 years, and I will come back to it and try it at least another time in those 6 years and really determine if I like it, because that's how I do things. I just hold on to them. So instead of going to donation, which, I mean, if I donated it, I'd probably donate one of these plugs too, only to be fair, because you could pick this up for like $1 at the DI. If you found it there, I'm sure it wouldn't be worth much, but I don't know. I feel like DI's prices and stuff and Savers and Goodwill are kind of going up too, so maybe they would charge $5 when you could buy it new for $6. But of course, if I donate it, then I always sanitize it and so that it's clean for the next person. So I have a UV light that I'll just throw this under if I donate it. But like I said, that's not for like another 5 years. I have a triangle curling iron, never used it. I've probably had it for close to 10 years, actually. How old? Yeah, I bet. And I never use it, but there were girls in my high school that had them when I was growing up, and then I found it as an adult because she found hers at the DI, so it was a very rare product. But I ended up ordering one for new for like $20, like I said, like 10 years ago, and have never used it. I've never ever used it. So there you have it. Boot review and a review for this item, this little crimper item. I have no idea where my hair tie went, so I'm just gonna leave it down for now. And please comment and review. I found that I really like engaging with you guys if you comment, and I always write back whether the comment is rude or not, which is totally fine. Everyone's different in how they do things and what they do, so whatever. But leave a comment. Let me know if you want to try this. Heck, let me know if you want me to send it to you in the next year. Anyway, guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm not the best judge of this because my hair is so thin. So if someone else has one, please let us know how it works for you. See you guys next time. Have a great day.